One sentence, just one, and you'll live in her heart rentree forever. Not a pickup line, not fake charm, but a phrase rooted in 2,000-year-old wisdom, straight from the Stoics. And it taps into the deepest psychological need every woman has, whether she admits it or not. But here's the kicker. 99% of men never say it. Worse, most don't even know what it is. And no, it's not I love you. That one's so overused, even her dog rolls its eyes when you say it. In today's video, we're diving into the Stoic secrets of emotional connection, and I'll reveal the exact words that will make her feel seen, safe, and completely yours. But here's the catch. You need to understand why it works before you use it, because used carelessly, it can backfire. Let's begin. In a world full of noise and uncertainty, what do women crave most? Emotional safety. Stoic philosophers like Epictetus taught that true peace comes from internal stability. Now apply that to relationships. A woman's heart seeks a man whose emotions aren't swayed by chaos. Not cold, not distant, button cord. Because here's a truth most men miss. When a woman opens her heart, she's taking an emotional risk. She's wired to test if you can handle her vulnerability without crumbling or fleeing. It's not a test like high school. There's no grade, just you getting ghosted or adored. No pressure. And this brings us to the first part of the sentence. No matter what happens, simple, right? But this phrase signals certainty. It shows you're not just here for the good times. Stick with me. The second part is where the real power lies. Every woman, every human really, fears one core thing: abandonment. But unlike men, women are evolutionarily wired to seek emotional assurance. A man who seems strong but then emotionally disappears. That's her worst nightmare. That's why Stoic teachings about emotional presence are so crucial. The full line: no matter what happens, I'm here. These 6 words calm her nervous system. They anchor her to your energy, and they echo a Stoic principle: endurance without drama. And no, you don't have to say it with a gladiator sword in hand, though it would be cool. This isn't about being her emotional therapist. It's about being a calm presence she can trust in storms. Because when you say, I'm here, you become her emotional home. But say it too soon, or without the third element, you'll come off as clingy or fake, ready for the part that seals it all. The final phrase, the one that makes her feel truly seen, is this: no matter what happens, I'm here and I see you. Not just with your eyes, but with your presence, your understanding, your attention. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. In today's language, that means, don't just tell her you care. Show her you notice the things she hides, the effort she puts in, the pain she carries quietly. This sentence, no matter what happens, I'm here and I see you. It's not magic. It's mindful masculinity. It's Stoic strength wrapped in emotional awareness. But wait, saying it isn't enough. You have to live it. So, how do you become the kind of man who can speak those words and mean them? Let's go deeper. You want her heart? Then you need more than charm. You need character. Women can feel when you're grounded. They sense when your words come from a place of emotional control, not desperation. And here's the paradox. The less you try to win her, the more she's drawn to you, because Stoic men don't chase. They attract by being deeply present but not needy, warm but not wobbly. Think of it like being the rock in a hurricane, not the guy texting with 18 times. Now you're probably wondering, what do I do if I've already messed this up? I've got you. That's next. If you've pulled away, reacted emotionally, or said something that pushed her away, there's still hope. But only if you respond like a Stoic, not a savior. Say this: I was reacting, not responding, but I've been reflecting, and I want you to know I'm here. I see you, and I respect your space. That line, it's honest, non-manipulative. And it taps into what women crave: emotional maturity. Here's the thing most men never realize. It's not about being perfect. It's about being real but anchored. You show her your awareness without begging, and that's what makes her reconsider walking away. But we're not done yet. There's one last key that makes these words irresistible. Here's the final secret. You can say the perfect words, but if your voice is anxious, rushed, or unsure, she'll feel it. Stoics believe that how you carry a message matters just as much as the message itself. So when you say, "No matter what happens, I'm here and I see you," say it slowly from a place of calm confidence, not to get a reaction, but because it's your truth. That's the version of you she will never forget. Now, want more Stoic phrases that unlock a woman's heart, or psychological truths that make you unforgettable? Then don't just watch, join the movement, tap subscribe, hit that bell, and share this with a brother who needs to hear it. Because you're not just learning to talk to women, you're becoming a man worth listening.